Hey guys, today's recipe is vegan, it's paleo, it's grain-free, it's gluten-free. Those are my favorite, and it's just so amazing and so easy. Watch how fast we're gonna make this recipe. Here we go.
Under 30 seconds, basically. So all we need is the coconut oil. We're adding 1/3 equal parts. So we're gonna use maple syrup to sweeten this recipe today, but at home, you can use agave, you can use honey, you can use whatever you'd like to sweeten this. The next thing is 1/3 cup of the cacao powder. So we're gonna dump that right in there. And then we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla, and I like a little bit of salt in my chocolate, so we're gonna add a tiny bit of salt after that. Oops, or a lot of salt. Alrighty, and the next step is just whisking it. And as you can see, we got a nice chocolate, and you can form this into molds, and you can make chocolate bars just like that. And you just want to get all those nice little chunks out, but that's that.